Hi, I'm Mechel Wall from Pea Ridge, Arkansas, and this is 3 of my grandkids. The drone zipline delivery is very entertaining and it's a lot of fun, and the grandkids all know about it now. We wanted to just do some fun things when the grandkids would come up. And so I had this idea. We would just order a s'mores kit. At first it was kind of a novelty, but then it kind of became a necessity. My husband and I were both sick, and we needed something from the pharmacy. And we both looked at each other like, I don't want to leave the house. And we had fortunately just been approved for pharmacy delivery through Zipline. And literally, I opened the app, put in what I needed, checked with the pharmacist. He said, yeah, you're good to go. And it wasn't 30 minutes where one of us came out in our pajamas and picked up the delivery. It was amazing. I know there are different delivery systems out there, but it's a vehicle and it's, burning fossil fuel, and the drone it's clean and it's fast and it's quiet. Drone delivery expanded to other businesses and doctors and other retailers. It would be game-changing.